I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. You are watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Raja Nadeem Sajjad Official. Today I'm going to talk about sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a serious disorder when breathing is disrupted during sleep. So, what are the common signs and symptoms of sleep apnea? What are the risk factors of sleep apnea? When you should think that you have got sleep apnea and when you need to seek medical help. Sleep apnea means brain and heart may not have enough oxygen. If you snore loudly and feel tired, even a full night's sleep, you might have sleep apnea. There are three types of sleep apnea. The first one, which is more common, obstructive sleep apnea. That occurs when throat muscles relax during sleep. The other form of sleep apnea is central sleep apnea. In this case, the brain fails to signal the muscles to breathe due to instability of the respiratory control center. The third form is a complex sleep apnea syndrome. In this syndrome, someone has got both obstructive sleep apnea as well as central sleep apnea. So, who is at risk of suffering with sleep apnea? If you are male, being overweight, being over age 40 years or older, and if any person whose neck is more than 17 inch, and if female has got neck of 16 inch, then there are chances of suffering with sleep apnea. Having large tonsils or large tongue or small jawbone. People who are at risk of suffering with sleep apnea, if there is a family history of sleep apnea, if someone has got nasal obstruction due to deviated nasal septum, or suffering with allergy or any sinus problem, so they develop sleep apnea. So common signs and symptoms of sleep apnea are, this list is really exhaustive, but the common signs and symptoms are loud snoring, episodes in which you stop breathing during sleep, and other people tell you that during a sleep there were pauses of breathing, gasping for air during sleep, awakening with a dry mouth, person suffers with headache in the morning, difficulty staying asleep, excessive daytime sleepiness. Person who are suffering with sleep apnea, they find it difficult to pay attention while they are awake, sleepiness while driving, they forget, their memory is impaired, they forget even recent events, less interest in sexual activity. If sleep apnea is not treated or a delay in the treatment, then there are established complications of sleep apnea. For example, there is a high risk of high blood pressure, stroke, diabetes. People also suffer with depression because lack of a sleep or disturbed sleep, headache, higher chances of suffering with stroke. So how sleep apnea is diagnosed? So there are several tests, sleep apnea tests are done. For example, polysomnogram. This is a multiple component test that electronically send and records specific physical activity while person is asleep. These recordings are analyzed by a qualified sleep specialist to find out if person has sleep apnea or another type of sleep disorder. There are so many other tests are also done. For example, EEG, electroencephalogram, to measure brain activity during sleep: EOG, electrocardiogram. There is one more test that is called as nasal airflow record. Sensor microphones are used to record snoring activity. For mild cases, usually your expert, your doctor will suggest lifestyle changes. For example, if you are overweight, then lose weight, quit smoking. If someone is suffering with nasal allergies, then treatment will be advised for nasal allergies. If all these measures are not helpful, then other therapies are adopted. For example, continuous positive airway pressure, CPAP. A machine delivers continuous air pressure when person is asleep. Also, other appliances are used to open the mouth. Treatment for associated health problems. In this sleep apnea syndrome, person suffers with lack of oxygen, so supplemented oxygen is given. Surgical methods are also adopted. For example, tissue removal. From the rear of mouth and top of your throat, tonsils and adenoids are usually removed. Tissue shrinkage. If jaw is deformed, then jaw repositioning. Some implants, for example, soft rods, are also implanted under general anesthesia. If all these measures are not helpful or failed, then tracheostomy is done. That means a new airway is created in the neck. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe this channel. If you have any question, write down in the comments and I will answer your query. Thank you.